guys, what's up? It's Jhalak. Today's video is about DIY wall decor and it's very easy and affordable. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
First thing to do is to find some cool picture on the internet and take print out of it. Next, you have to take a black sheet. Place that printed paper on black sheet and draw lines around it using scale on the gap of around 1 centimeter. Take one scissor and cut it through the lines drawn. Now take your printed paper and place it and then stick it using the Fevi-stick or any glue. Make sure you put glue every corner of the paper. And then press it nicely so that paper won't come out. You can choose different picture, quotation and have themes, and that's what I love about it the most. Wall decor is ready. You can place anywhere you like. I love this DIY because it's super easy and affordable.
If you found this DIY very easy and affordable, then please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I see you guys next time.